Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Google Tag Manager for affiliate link events. To connect with Google Tag Manager for affiliate link events, start by logging into your Google Tag Manager account. Once logged in, select the container you want to work with. Navigate to the Triggers section on the left sidebar. Click on the New button to create a new trigger. In the trigger configuration, name your trigger something relevant, such as affiliate link clicks. Choose just links as the trigger type. Now, configure the trigger to fire on specific link clicks. Select the option Some Link Clicks from the drop-down menu. Next, set the conditions for the trigger to identify your affiliate links. For example, you might choose click URL contains your -affiliate-domain.com. This will ensure that only clicks on your affiliate links initiate the trigger. Once configured, save your trigger. Now, go to the Tags section in the left sidebar. Click on the New button to create a new tag. In the tag configuration, name your tag, such as Affiliate Link Click Event. Choose Google Analytics, Universal Analytics as the tag type. For the track type, select Event. Fill in the required fields, such as category, action, and label, to organize your event data. For example, you could use affiliate as the category, click as the action, and click URL as the label. Now, scroll down to triggering and select the affiliate link click trigger you created earlier. After confirming all settings, save your tag. Next, click on the Submit button in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the submission modal, enter a version name and description if desired. Click on Publish to make your changes live. To verify the setup, open your website in a new tab. Use the Google Tag Assistant Chrome extension to check if the tag is firing on affiliate link clicks. If everything is configured correctly, the affiliate link events should now be tracked in Google Analytics. Monitor the events to ensure accurate tracking and make adjustments if necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.